In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique list from many columns in Google Sheets. If you've ever been in a situation where you have several lists of names and you find that some names appear multiple times across these lists, you'll know how important it is to have a clean and unique list without any repetitions. So let's get started and simplify this task using just a few straightforward functions in Google Sheets. Imagine you have several columns with names of participants in an activity. Some of these individuals might have participated more than once, meaning their names are repeated in your lists. What we need is a consolidated list of participants, but with each name appearing only once. This is where the magic of Google Sheets functions will come in handy. The first step in this process is to combine all these lists into one seamless list. For that, we'll use the flatten function. The flatten function is excellent for taking multiple columns of data and consolidating them into a single column. This makes it easy to handle all names at once. So go ahead and enter the flatten function in your Google Sheets. You'll want to include the range that encompasses all your columns filled with participant names. Once you execute this, you'll see all the names aligned in one continuous column. However, as you might notice, there are still duplicate names present. This brings us to the next crucial step, making this list unique. Here, we will leverage the unique function. The unique function in Google Sheets is specifically designed to filter out duplicates, leaving you with a distinct set of entries. Now, the interesting part is combining the unique function with the flatten function to achieve our goal. What we need to do is embed the flatten function inside the unique function. Start by typing the unique function. In the range parameter where you'd typically enter your data range, instead, input the flatten function that we've already used. This allows the results of the flatten function to serve as the input for the unique function. This combined formula will process the flattened list and extract only the unique names for you. Once you've completed these steps, simply press Enter. And there you have it. A unique list of participant names without any repetitions. And that's it. Within just a few simple steps using Google Sheets functions, you've successfully created a unique list from multiple columns. You can now confidently use this clean list for whatever purposes you need, knowing it's free from any duplications. Whether you're organizing a new event or updating records, having unique data is always a step in the right direction. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your use of Google Sheets and other handy tools. See you next time.